Okay, so this is what we are having for dinner. Fried chicken. And we're going to have some, French bread with, I'm going to put some, with my left hand, some seasoning salt. Garlic salt. And then we're going to have, potato salad and coleslaw with it. And French bread and chicken. So that's what we're having for dinner. You guys have a good day. Bye. Okay, so this is what we're having for dinner. Potato salad, I can't ever think. Coleslaw, French bread, and chicken. And that's my daughter's plate. And I'm all done with dinner. Now, gotta do dishes. I'm gonna take y'all outside to see how beautiful it is today. Oh, yep, it's a beautiful day. Anyways, y'all have a good day. Bye.